Welcome guys. Let's do Uniswap Uni technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. This is very important exchange and it is Ethereum based token and it is decentralized exchange. That is why this token is very important. So please watch this video until end because I will show you my immediate short-term target as well as my long-term target and the target of this bull run in this video. So please watch this video until end. Current rank of Uniswap is 14 and price of the Uniswap is $20.19. Price decreases 3.3% in 24 hours. Market cap of Uniswap is $10 billion, $10.8 billion, which is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of Uniswap is $479 million, which is very huge. Circulating supply of Uniswap is just 519 million and total supply of Uniswap is 1 billion. And let me please show you some statistics and after that I will show you the charts. Here you can see on Wednesday 16 September 2020 price of the Uniswap is just only $3.44. After that price goes to $44 and let me please show you all-time high. All-time high of Uniswap was on May 3rd 2021 5 months ago and the price was $44.92. All-time low of Uniswap was on September 17, 2020, about 1 year ago, and the price was $1.3, and it gives 297% profit in 1 year to its holders. It is available on these exchanges, Binance, Uniswap, Coinbase, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and this link. This is Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus absolutely free. And if you complete your intermediate KYC, then give me proof on my Telegram or Twitter, then I will pay you $20 immediately in USDT. Let me please show you the charts. This is 4-hour chart of Uniswap, and here you can see after hitting this zone $27.54 price is now at $20.93. This is a big descending wedge, you can say descending triangle, and price after hitting several times price bounced back from touching this downtrend line. And here you can see. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. Here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, and this is upper trend line and several touches as well as here you can see, and here you can see too. And now expectation from this token is that maybe price after hitting this zone again, price may be pull back like this. If this happen, in that case the resistance for current resistance is waiting for this token is at that price level, which is $24.36 price area. This area is very important and we have to watch this area very closely. And here you can see I think price after hitting this zone, this is the major support box and this is the major trend line, and this is very important zone. I think after hitting this zone price definitely have to bounce back towards upside, and I think price can do this, and this will be the possible scenario, I think so. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Candles break EMA ribbon towards downside and that is not a good sign. Now this EMA ribbon is turning as a resistance for Uniswap. And let me please show you CPR levels. Here you can see these yellow lines are major CPR levels, but unfortunately price break this CPR support zone and hit first bearish target, and it was at $23 price area, and after that this is the second bearish target, $16.30. I don't think price can go down to retest this zone, but I think price have to bounce back, and this bearish target one will be now turning as a resistance for the Uniswap. And once Uniswap price break these three yellow lines, major CPR lines, in that case it can hit $33 very soon. Let me please show you my next chart. This is daily chart, and it is the top of the Uniswap $45 price area, and this is the downtrend line. Once Uniswap break this downtrend line, in that case price will boost, and I think new rally will start. Until now, these are the support zone. First support zone is at $22 price area. Second support zone is at $14 price area. And now Uniswap is holding this support zone very tightly, and very strong support zone. And here you can see, if unfortunately it break this, the next support zone is this area, $14.50 price area. And if I calculate this from top to bottom, let me please arrange this, because I want to show you very clearly. That is why I am doing this. Here you can see. Now Uniswap is trying hard to hold this zone, 0.23 Fib retracement zone, and it is at $21 price area. Once it holds this, the next zone is 0.38, and it is at $25 price area. After that, this zone 0.5, 28.76, you can say $29 price area. And after that, the golden pocket 0.61, price can touch $33 price area. These are the retracement levels, and now I think it have to hold this area very strongly, $20.30, $20 price area. Once Uniswap hold this area and bounce back, in that case we may see some that kind of action. Let me please show you. I think we may see that kind of action, but this area is very important. It have to break this area and this downtrend line, upper trend line, and this zone. Once it broke this, in that case price of definitely will hit $30 very soon, $29, after that $32 very soon. And let me please hide this. Let me please show you the weekly chart. After that I will show you the target. This is weekly chart, and here you can see this is horizontal resistance, this is horizontal support zone. Horizontal resistance is at $31 price area. Horizontal resistance is at, horizontal support is at $20 price area. If this candle closing, this weekly candle closing below $20, in that case maybe price can retest $16 price area, and this is also a major support for the Uniswap token. We have to watch this level very clearly. I think price maybe bounce back from that zone. In that case price can will move in that kind of scenario, and this will be the possible scenario, I think so. We have to watch this, and we have to watch this carefully. And once it broke this, in that case the next target will be $16 price area in weekly chart. And once it pull back from that zone, next target will be this zone, $26 price area, and this is the first resistance. Here you can see, and let me please change the color, and this is the resistance area. Once it broke this $26 price area, in that case $28 and $32 are the target. And if I calculate this from bottom to top, here you can see, let me please zoom this. Let me please arrange this chart. Now It is trying hard to hold this zone 0.61 level, weekly level, and it is at $20 price area. Once it broke this, in that case maybe price can go down to $17.78 Fibonacci level, and once it break this towards upside, in that case next target is 0.5 and it is at $22 price area, and next target is 0.38 and it is at $24 price area, and after that 0.23 and it is at $27 price area. These are the areas and these are the targets. Note down these areas and targets. Uniswap can move like this, and this will be the, I think, possible scenario. Maybe price after hitting this zone, price will bounce back, and once price broke this, in that case next zone is this zone, very very important, 0.78, and it is at $17 price area. Maybe price goes down to hit this zone. Once it broke this 0.61, in that case price can go down to retest this zone and 0.78, and it is at $17 price area, and after that price will move like this. This is the possible scenario and most likely scenario for me, and we have to watch it until end. And let me please show you daily chart again, and let me please show you the targets. Let me delete this, and let me please arrange this chart. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And the like target for this video is just 50 likes. I want just 50 likes. Please like this video right now. I have to measure this from bottom to top, and this is the top, and after that top to this bottom, and after that I will show you the targets. Let me please arrange this. Let me please arrange this chart. Let me do this. It is currently is at $20.90 price area, and I think the target of the Uniswap will be this area, 2.61, 1.61 to 2.61 price area. In between this area, I think $100 to $130 is the target, and I think $130 is the target for this bull run. Maybe $120, maybe $130 is the target of Uniswap for in this bull run. I think this is the very realistic target, and this is the targets. This is the target. This is the target. Friend, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please do me a favor. Please share this video with all your friends and crypto community right now, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. This is the target. And if you want to get this $20 bonus of Binance Exchange, which and $700 bonus of Binance Exchange, go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get this link. This is Binance Exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus, and I will pay you $20 if you register with my affiliate link and complete your KYC and give me proof on my Telegram. I will send you $20 immediately. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.